This is a 2009 Infiniti G37. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a power sunroof, a Bose stereo system, alloy wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, a traction control system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 21,000 miles on the odometer. This Infiniti has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.